Hi there and welcome to Riggs Garage. Today in the church parking lot, I'm gonna put this mirror that matches this broken mirror in my friend's van. I'm gonna put this on there. I found this in the junkyard yesterday and I was like, hey friend, I found a match. So he said, get the mirror, put it on my van, so I'm gonna do it now. I'll show you how to do it with easy tools. I think anybody can do this just with a basic socket set and their hands. So let's get rolling now. First thing, I've got this window down so I can handle this mirror from the inside. So we're looking here. The first thing we're gonna do is remove this black plastic panel. It's just got a few clips in it. What you wanna do is work behind it and you're gonna pop it out. I suggest you use a plastic tool, something like this. You can get an interior plastic tool kit like at Harbor Freight or on Amazon. I'll throw a link below to like a $5 kit just in case you wanna grab one. And we're gonna pry this off. It's just got basic clips. So you work behind it here and give it a little bit of leverage. And it pops out. If you look at the back side here, it's just got basic clips that pop into these slots here and here. All right, so we're getting close already. The next thing you want to do is this clip here, and there's a pinch right here on one side. You're just going to pinch and wiggle. This is your electric mirror. Pops right out, easy, right? And finally, you're going to need an 8mm socket. We've got 1, 2, and don't forget number 3 back here. These are 8mm. So we're gonna zip those out. This is a nut. Make sure you don't drop the nut down on the door. And number 3. I'm starting to support the mirror on the outside just so it doesn't fall off. This could be you at the junkyard removing a mirror, so you don't want to break the mirror that you're trying to remove. Now this is free. Actually, there's no this 10mm doesn't hold it on. This white clip here, you're gonna want to pinch it a little bit to clear a way for this to go out the hole. And you just give it a little wiggle, and your mirror's off. Easy. Reinstalling your old one is the opposite of what we just did. Just gonna set it in place. And this white clip kind of holds it in. And we're putting our 8mm bolts back, or nuts back on. I'll get one there so I know it won't fall out. And snug these down, not too tight. And then finally, plug in your electrical connection. It only goes in one way, so you can't mess it up. It's one way only. Listen for that click. And now before we put this panel on, let's test that the electric mirror actually works. Here we go. Left. Much success.
Yeah!
Yeah! All right, and then finally we'll just pop this panel back on. It literally just pushes on. So I'm gonna align it like this. Just push it on, and that's literally it. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want that trim toolkit, I'll put a link below in the description for you to purchase that. It'll help you with all your interior work in the future. Thank you so much.